I'm gonna show you a couple rivers you could go in St. Thomas, Jamaica. So boom, this is the first river. This is Reggae Falls. Yeah, Grandpa River. Roselle Falls.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
One day, be pray.
Yo, no nigga, I don't know when these niggas started taxing. They probably started taxing because they put this little yellow. Look, this going on YouTube. They taxing my son. How many they tax you? Ew, they say Reggae Falls is lease. Alright, so today we here with TM Benzo. Come with me. Today we at Grandpa River. I'm like, we got an American here. We got an American over here. Let's interview him. They said they got Samara. They said Samara didn't eat the chicken.
Yo, it's so crazy, bro. You know, for mad months, I've been having a dream.
For mad months, he's been having a dream to come to Grandpa River.
And it's this, yo, deja vu. I swear to God, bro. No, I'm not high. I swear to God. I swear to God, I had this dream mad times, bro. I swear to God, bro.
So, how was your first time at Grandpa River?
You know, it ain't not right tonight.
He said that. Come, so this is an artist, Pablo YG. You know, I show him face, you know.
Yes, sir.
Alright, you know, I go say too much, you know.
Yeah, say too much.
Artist, you know. Yeah,
Rich, we say. Rich. Millions of dollars, hear that? Yeah, one and only. Look
forward. Of course, I get paid. Forward, man. I'll get to TJ. Alright, so today we here with. You ready to swim?
I didn't hear you.
You ready to swim? You ready to swim?
Yeah, man.
Oh shit, what's going on the rock over there? Oh, Tia is too far to see what's going on. Alright, so how was your first time at Grandpa River? You like it?
Yeah, man. Very beautiful place, man. This shit lit, nigga.
Hey, so Tia, you ready for jump off? Come on. I look happy doing it. I don't even forgot swim. Hello, deep. Hey, the Tia, you jump off? Hey, am I going to do? Ain't no cool. You can stop it.
Oh, you want one iPhone? No. That one iPhone? I'm gonna get it. One iPhone? Camera. Oh, just camera. No, stop.
Take a trip with me. I'm in Jamaica.
Roselle Falls.
You do this.
Alright, so you got J. Alright, come on.
come on. With Jay. Come out of the house. You're silent.
Nah, I tell right. I'm not gonna watch it, but
Oh, look cool. Look at that. Mira, mira that.
Yeah. Seems like a water wall.
private car, right? Stop it. Freshness.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Habla guano.
Camera clean and well focus or something. Be a cameraman, I can shoot music video. Clean my dog.
So what money, whoever when I stand to me, I build something. Can I something I build? Is that would get 5 on camera.
Just spend my 300
I will show you guys.
This is Reggae Falls, aka Dam, but the new name right now is Reggae Falls. And the next clip I'm going to show you, our next river, I think it's called Grandpa. This is Reggae Falls, y'all.
Reggae Falls, yeah. You're thinking right there after that. I'm just cooking out the party. I got dry. You was in a dry. I'll be.
Paper me come from dirt. Guns on me car, them a German. You guys see me?
Yeah, clean. Clean. In a real life.